Hey going everyone, got a little quick video coming today involving the R32. A few little parts came that I didn't desperately need, but just bought them anyway. First of all, open this box up. Already opened this box. Got a 3D printed cup holder, which would be good. It's a little bit how you going, but I'll definitely sand it back a bit, paint it black like the interior pieces in the R32, put it in and it'll be good. And then second of all, which I haven't opened yet, but I'm pretty sure it's what I think it is. It's a, what do you call it? This is a R32 brake pedal rubber switch, because the other day I was driving and a bloke called out and said that, yeah, it is what I thought it was. A bloke called out and just said, oh, your brake light's stuck on. I thought he was taking the piss, to be honest, but got home and checked it out. And he ended up he was telling the truth. So, I'll show you, first of all, get the cup holder, easiest thing to possibly install ever. What you want to do is go to your 32, open the door, take out whatever shit is in here, put this in, and there you go, it's done. Cleans things up a little bit, and obviously you got a cup holder, so that'll be awesome to have while cruising around. And second of all, which I'll actually open the garage for, so you got a bit of light. Right, so as I said, brake light put is permanently on. I've done just a little quick fix it so the battery didn't die throughout the week. As you can see, they're off. Let me just get some light. Snapchat? Let me just get some light going in here, under there. Right, so hopefully you can see this all right. But on the brake pedal, I'll just put a little bolt right there. So when you push the brake in, horrible lighting. It's hard to film under here. Alright, when you push the brake in, let's just switch out and the brake lights turn on. So for now, just got the bolt in there. I'll take that out. Not even a nut on it, just got it, there we go. So yeah, just had that sitting in there so it wouldn't go flat battery on me. This is what broke off it. They are the new bits. I bought two just because they look so flimsy. So as you can see now, brake lights are on. Which obviously, flat battery when you're driving, people think you're stopping when you're not. So, I'll get one of these out. There we go, drop it on the floor. Put you guys back under here. Try to get a better spot for this. There you go. And what you want to do, probably easier right-handed. Try to do, pop it open, little hole, obviously the nut side going in, if I can get it quickly here. This would be a lot easier. I should just press in. There you go, that's done. So now, that's in there, switch closes, and hopefully, yes, brake lights are off. So now, I'll drive the car around again. Get this phone out. Alright, that's pretty much it. Stupid quick video. Thought I'd at least get something out and nothing. So as well, I'll try to explain it a little bit better. If your brake lights on your 32 or most cars are stuck on, go underneath, under to your brake pedal, and that little green knob you see right there is what lets the switch compress against that and closes. Brake lights on, brake lights off. Bad news as well, my Work 78 headlights I showed you in the video I put up, I don't know, a week or two ago, they've been delayed. Bummer. So what's happened is the company in the States that orders them, they order from Japan, Japan sends them to the States, and then they come to Australia. So I guess with COVID, well not I guess, I assume, and most likely with COVID, got to go through customs in Japan when it gets to the States, and then it's got to go through customs in Australia when it gets to Australia. So it's just going to take a lot longer than I thought it would. After the 19 days, when they said they'll deliver it, they emailed me on the 19th day, pretty much just telling me exactly what I told you. So these will have to do, not that I'm complaining about them. But yeah, that video will come soon. I don't want to say hope you liked it, that was a pretty shit video, but hope you enjoyed it and hope you like seeing content coming out at least than seeing nothing at all. So brake lights fixed and cup holder installed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in hopefully what is a better video next time. Catch you guys.